It's raining since morning, a nice weather to sleep, but I have to do my cooking. I'm preparing my Sunday lunch. I have given my little one to my hubby to look after while I cook. I'm in the process of making the roast chicken. Now I'm going to prepare the rice. For the rice, I have taken 1.5 cups of rice. I have washed it and I'm putting it in a pressure cooker. And I'm adding 3 cups of water, but I'm dividing it to 1.5 cup of water, 1.5 cup of coconut milk. If you want to add 3 cups of coconut milk, you can add the 3 cups of coconut milk also. It will still taste more good. And I'm adding some more curry leaves, pandan leaves, and some lemongrass. If you don't have lemongrass, it's still okay, but you can add more pandan leaves, a big stick of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, few cloves, and some peppercorns. I've added half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. You stir it up well. You can add some clarified butter or ghee or just a normal butter. I have added 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and I'm covering it. I'm going to cook it for 3 whistles. And my other roast chicken curry is almost done, and I'm having a look at my other kids what they are doing. So they are really anxiously waiting till I finish my cooking. I have cut some onions and I have deep fried it, and also some cashew nuts and some raisins. My son is helping me here because he loves to have those, and some fried curry leaves. So this is for garnishing basically, so I have put it in a kitchen towel for the oil to completely drain. So this is how the rice will be after 3 whistles. It has cooked very nicely and I get the real taste of the smell of the pandan leaves. So you can take out the pandan leaves and the cinnamon stick if you like. I have removed only the pandan leaf and few lemongrass. Now whatever the fried cashew nuts, onions and curry leaves, you can start garnishing it to make it more colorful. You can add your favorite nuts here. Now some people they add fried peanuts also, so it's totally up to you, but I really go with cashew nuts. I wanted to share the speciality of this yellow rice. This is a Sri Lankan style yellow rice. In Sinhala it is called kahabat, a rice made with coconut milk. You can serve it with any curry dish. You can cook it in stove or rice cooker. Mostly in Sri Lanka they make it with rice cooker. You can see this type of yellow rice in most of the Sri Lankan parties and events and festivals. You can do this rice with basmati or any normal rice. Definitely try this rice, you will really enjoy it. So now it's done. This is my dal fry. I actually started it before the vlog, before I started the vlog. So this is my roast chicken. So a simple lunch. I will add the link of the dal fry and the roast chicken in the description box below. It's time to eat. I let my hubby and kids eat while I'm having the baby. So they are very happy with the meal and my kids' favorite roast chicken. By cooking their favorite dishes, I make them enjoy their Sunday as we are still in lockdown and they are not able to go out and enjoy. So staying at home, they can enjoy this way. Now I immediately clean after the lunch, so that I don't need to clean again. So I immediately finish all my cleaning. This way I feel my work gets done quickly. So after lunch I did not make any dessert, so I gave them some yogurt. After this we are planning to watch some movies and relax the rest of the evening. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. See you again in another vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.